I can see you there. Stop overthinking. This is just a very simple networking question. You are sitting down on the exam, is either remotely in the classroom, and you are presented with the configure the network question, either in node 1 or node 2. Take a deep breath, you'll be fine. Don't try to configure things on the config files. You can, if you wish, you have lots of experience to do whatever you like, but just use the tools available to you at that point. An empty UI should be available, and that should be your first choice. You're going to see behind this image me doing an empty UI configs in RHEL 9 and RHEL 10, and they're basically the same thing. Just get an empty UI out of the open, get some root access, and start cracking. An empty UI is going to show you the list of the available interfaces. You can just compare the names with instructions to see if they match, but they should. Choose the configuration you want to choose. Edit the options you want to change. Most likely, it's going to be just IPv4, but if you ask IPv6, it's basically the same thing. Make sure everything is manual. All the manual options are enabled. Get your IP address going. Get your subnet mask going. Your default gateway going. Click OK. Disable the interface. Enable the interface. At this point, you should be at the physical console, so you are just fine doing that by disabling interfaces and enabling interfaces. At this point, you should not be dependent of the network configuration. You should start and stop at your leisure. Apply the configs like I'm doing back there, and you should be fine. But do not forget the host name. Dudes, don't try to burn brain cells with which file is the correct one, which service I need to restart. Just use hostnamectl hostname. Do yourselves a favor and just do hostnamectl hostname. Hostnamectl space hostname space the name, whatever you want to call it, or, well, not whatever you want to call it, but the name they specify you to call it. Let's say, I don't know, node1.lab.example.com. Hostnamectl space hostname space the name they specify, most likely node1.lab.example.com or anything of that sort, and we're good to go. No need to restart anything, it's just done. If you feel more comfortable by seeing the actual name showing at the console, log off, log on back again, and there you have it. Hostname is set, network is configured. Just stop overcomplicating stuff. Stop overcomplicating stuff. If you want to complicate stuff, you can, but do that after the exam, okay? Do that after the exam. You can, when you are done and you have your certification going, then you can complicate everything you want. But at that point, keep it simple. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.